If I would be my body, I would simply take the decision right now, body, just stop aging. I don't want you to age anymore. I don't want you to feel pain. I don't want my body to tell me that I'm hungry right now. Just stop the hunger. So raising this question, I feel like I cannot tell my body what to do, literally.
Shi Heng Yi teaches that the mind and body are not separate. What happens in the body affects the mind, and what happens in the mind affects the body. Most people believe they have control, but in reality, they are controlled by habits, emotions, and comfort. True control begins with awareness.
So this body somehow has his own cycle and his own intelligence that my body is going through. Okay, this is now the body. And just as you said, literally it is impossible to predict what is going to be the next thought that's going to pop up in my mind. But if I would be my mind, how come I cannot have an influence in what I am thinking next? So leading again to this idea, mind and body, both of them apparently have another own cycle of what they are following. What's the conclusion? The conclusion is that nevertheless, body and mind that we carry along this lifetime right now can be and are conditioned. They carry some type of information. Simply said, I didn't choose literally to have this nose on my face. I didn't choose my eye color. I didn't choose the features that I carry in this lifetime right now. So there is information that is being transferred from generations in the past that in a way represent themselves right now in the body that we carry.
Shi Heng Yi says that the body holds tension from the past. Stress, fear, and emotional pain are stored in the muscles and breath. When you train the body through slow movement, stretching, and controlled breathing, you release these stored patterns. As the body opens, the mind becomes clearer.
Go into horse stance. And now you see, I'm very lightly rocking from left to right. Still stay low. The back is still upright, but slowly rocking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Lightly jump. Now from the horse stance, Gong Bu. The left leg is bent, the right leg is straight, both heels on the floor. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch side. Right leg bent, left leg straight. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left side. 1. Switch. 2. Switch. 3. Switch.
This will improve liver and digestive function through gentle internal massage.
5. Switch. 6. Switch. 7. Switch. 8. 9. And 10. Center. And up. opening up the chest and stretching the arms a little bit in a more dynamic way. Look. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Number 1, 2, open. 1, 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 open. 2, open. 3, open. 4, open. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, starting now to practice a little bit maintaining your balance so you don't fall over, and then afterwards coordinating body, arm movement and leg movement. But first, just focus a little bit on your balance. From here, shift the weight onto the right leg. Left knee, lift arms.
This exercise will help you to activate the healer within. The goal is not to add more. The goal is to remove the noise, the stress, the blockages. What remains is your natural power, your health, your life force.
Then lift. Down, out, touch. Transition, in, up, down, out. Just touch the ground first. Move. Right leg empty already. 1. Then down, out. Grab. Move up and 1. Two, down, out, touch, move, take in, go up, down, out, touch, move, take in, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now, upper body coordination, left hand here, right hand is in the front. Look here. Then if I say switch, both hands just switch. And switch. One goes back, other one go front. Switch. 1, 2.
This will activate your core life energy, your healing engine.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now do the same movement, but turn lightly inwards, like 30 degrees to the left and 30 degrees to the right, like an angle. So look, when I'm here, I'm lightly sideways, and see, the weight is also now on the back leg. This is straight, but now here, the weight is on the right leg. Then I change, weight shift to the left leg, arms change. Transition to the right foot, change. And go. 1. Go. 2. Go. 3. Go. 4. Go. 5. Go. 6. Go. 7. Go. 8. Go. 9 and 10. Continue. 1, 2.
This movement opens the lungs, increases oxygen intake, and releases emotional heaviness, like sadness and grief. It teaches the heart to relax.
7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.